Welcome to the free version of StartFast. Let's take a quick tour of the interface. As you can see, the free version is all about simplicity. It comes with a lightweight, clean design, nothing to distract or slow you down. Just the essentials, so you can get started quickly. Let's log in and take a look at the dashboard. There are three main pages: Dashboard, Billing, and Profile. On the billing page, you can select the amount of tokens you need and proceed to Stripe checkout. Let's add our payment information. Since this is a demo, we'll use the Stripe test card and random information for the other inputs. Now, as you can see, the balance has been topped up, and we can withdraw tokens by clicking the Withdraw button. And that was a quick demo of the app. The free version comes with just 18 tidy JavaScript files, built with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Supabase. There's no styling or heavy custom code, just a simple structure designed to get your project off the ground. And there's also a straightforward and easy-to-understand short guide to help you set up and get started. Every step is clear, and the whole setup will take minutes, not even hours. Thanks for watching. Start fast.